Study well first. Secondly, listen when you go to sleep. Remember all words correctly day by day. Ablaze. Ablaze. Meaning of word. On fire. On fire. Example sentences. The house was ablaze. The house was ablaze. Able. Able. Meaning of word. Can do something. Can do something. Example sentences. He wasn't able to get there in time. He wasn't able to get there in time. Able-bodied. Able-bodied. Meaning of word. Every able-bodied. Every able-bodied. Example sentences. Every able-bodied young man served in the army. Every able-bodied young man served in the army. Meaning of word. Ably. Ably. Skillfully and well. Skillfully and well. Example sentences. The chef was ably assisted by two helpers. The chef was ably assisted by two helpers. Abnormal. Abnormal. Meaning of word. Different from what is normal. Different from what is normal. Example sentences. The results of the blood test were abnormal. The results of the blood test were abnormal. Abode. Abode. Meaning of word. The place where someone lives. The place where someone lives. Example sentences. He has no fixed abode. He has no fixed abode. Abolish. Abolish. Meaning of word. Get rid of a law or right. Get rid of a law or right. Example sentences. The senator voted to abolish the death penalty. The senator voted to abolish the death penalty. Abolition. Abolition. Meaning of word. The act of abolishing a law or right. The act of abolishing a law or right. Example sentences. The abolition of the death penalty. The abolition of the death penalty. Abominable. Abominable. Meaning of word. Very bad or unpleasant. Very bad or unpleasant. Example sentences. The weather's been abominable all week. The weather's been abominable all week. Abort. Abort. Meaning of word. Stop something taking place. Stop something taking place. Example sentences. The flight had to be aborted at the last minute. The flight had to be aborted at the last minute.